How to install a VPN on Android. VPNs, or virtual private networks, are powerful tools that can help protect and safeguard your online activity from looky-loos and ne'er-do-wells. In this guide, we'll show you how to find, download, and install the best VPN for your Android device, so that you can use your phone secure in the knowledge that no one is monitoring or collecting your browsing habits or data. Okay, let's back up just a second. You may be considering your VPN options. Or you may not even know what a VPN is or why you need one. Essentially, a VPN is a piece of software that serves to mask your online identity and shield your browsing and web traffic from outside sources. VPNs can be useful in protecting confidential information, allowing people in different regions to access content unavailable to them, or merely keeping nosy online snoops out of your business. You may have different reasons for wanting to use a VPN than the next person. And that's totally fine. These are beneficial tools that can help keep you safe while online. And that's why they're becoming ever more popular. Many VPN apps and services offer a trial period. Create an account to start a free trial and sign in. Tap the button to connect to the VPN service at any time. Alternatively, you can tap the VPN button in the Quick Settings menu. You can go along with the recommended smart location, or tap on that box to change your VPN location. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner to adjust your settings. Make changes to your profile, or change your plan. VPN services like ExpressVPN offer protection plans for multiple devices, and you can generally upgrade anytime. ExpressVPN can protect your Windows or Mac computer, gaming system, Android or iOS device, and more. You may be wondering if you should keep your VPN running all of the time on your Android device. It comes down to a question of balancing battery life versus privacy. And that is a trade-off that is going to be different for different people. I encourage you to read our discussion on this topic before you decide if you're going to run a VPN on your Android device continuously. If you're interested in learning more about some of the best VPN apps for Android users, or just the best VPN services in general, be sure to check out our comprehensive reviews and roundups. The first step in protecting your online activity is to pick the right VPN for you. Our top recommendation is ExpressVPN. There are lots of great VPN options out there, but ExpressVPN is our favorite. It offers reliable connections, fast speeds, and excellent customer support. Sign up today and get 3 months free. We do not support or condone the illegal or malicious use of VPN services. Consuming pirated content that is paid for is neither endorsed nor approved by future publishing. Flagship phones are great. Paying full price for them isn't. Refurbished phones let you get a flagship device for a fraction of the cost. And these are a few of our favorites. It's always a stressful situation in the event that something happens to your smartphone. This is true for the Nokia 7.1, as you wouldn't want to have to replace your new device due to a cracked screen. To combat those concerns, we have found the best cases you can get for your new phone. Now that the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra have arrived, the first thing you'll want to do is pick up a proper case. But instead of waiting around for third-party retailers to make their cases available, why not grab one from Samsung alongside your Note 20, giving you the whole package right at your doorstep. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.